I could get used to late nights dancing my place. I could get used to long drives, cat rides, your face. I could get used to be fighting just for the hell of it. And you
So we're here now at Akihabara Station. Welcome to Akihabara. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is our last day here in our Airbnb and we're going to transfer to another hotel which is located in Tokyo, Japan. So yung nabook namin ay Bogacorte Hotel. So goodbye again Osaka and see you Tokyo in a while. Bye. So this is our transport. So going to Tokyo. So we're here now at the Shin Osaka Station here in Osaka, going to Tokyo, Japan. So sasakay tayo ng bullet train. So see you again. So hinahanap namin ng Southgate, nalilito na kami. Ang metro station, metro rail dito sa Japan ay nakakalito. So yun, nakita na namin yung Shinkansen South Entrance for the Shinkansen bullet train. So I am here now at the Shin Osaka Station. So we're going to the South Entrance of the Shinkansen track or Shinkansen bullet train. Fish, chicken, and egg. Meron ditong beef. Meron din chicken with lamb. So, tikman natin yung cheese. Sarap! Ang sarap niya. So, meron ditong new days, parang 7-Eleven. Sarap. So, bumili tayo ng parang milk tea pero hot. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan. Kasi naka-Japanese. So, let's taste. Sarap. Shinagawa Station. So, from Shinagawa Station, to-transfer naman kami ng another train. And bago makarating sa Tokyo.
Feeling in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky.
Nandito na kami sa Shinagawa and then transfer kami ng JR line, Kelkin Kyoko line going to Kamata Station. Then from Kamata Station, punta naman kami ng Tokyo, Japan. Kelhin to Oku, no? Yun ang 4-5.
Make up for what I've lost.
So this is how you do it, loading iCoca card. So papasok niyo yung money. Kaya lang nakalagay ay Japanese. So pwede niyo naman i-Google Translate. So yun, nag-load lang kami ng 1,000. Ayun, tapos receipt na.
I wanna get high on, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should.
892. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Ikigami Line, Gotanda, going to Tokyo na. So, this is the last train na sasakyan namin going to Tokyo. Hingal yarn. Kasi walang elevator, walang escalator. So, arrive here at Tokyo, Japan. So, we're here at Tokyo.
Tokyo!
Ay, ang pagod is real. Look at our luggage.
But this is the last
Mamaya,
one.
gagala mo na kami. Sige, bye. Hanapin namin yung hotel. Bye. Ito po ang mga sheka. Pagoda. Gardo Versosa na. walang lift, walang escalator at elevator yung mga trend dito sa Japan. Ay, pagod. Please feel free to get and bring this to your room. So meron origami, oregano. Origami. Thank you.
This is your passport pala.
Want you to make my
Ikaw na kami.
heart feel as
Ako with
much
the
as
host
I
of
know
the
Full check-in will be done. After completing all check-ins is done, enter check-in code. So, A, E, 7, how many people are standing? Please enter your... please shoot with your passport aligned to the road.
This way.
Ikaw na lang mag-check-in dito ngayon, sir. Kasi kung si June...
Sige. So, dalawa lang yan, no?
Oo.
So, this is the process. So, ayan ang mga friend ko. Tatry nila yung door passcode dito sa aming hotel. So, self-check-in yung ginawa namin here at Boga Corte. So, madali lang naman yung process. So, yung process, ilalagay ko dito.
Ito mo na lang.
Galing. Ang galing ng mga friend ko. Hi, welcome back. So, we're here now at the Boga Corte. So, pagpasok mo dito, mag-room tour tayo ng saglit. Okay? So, pagpasok mo, merong maliit na door. Pwede ka maglagay ng mga shoes. This is shoe rack, chinelas. And then, pagpasok mo dito, may kitchen, may lutuan, may sink, may kasama ng kettle, may kasama ng lutuan ng kanin, may ref, and microwave oven. Tapos may mga cabinet pa dito. So, dito naman, sa unang pinto, nandito yung pangpupo, CR, toilet. Separate ang toilet sa bath. Tapos, dito naman sa pangalawang pinto, nandito ang washroom. Meron din washing machine. And nandito yung toilet. No? Merong bathtub. Merong shower. So, this is the shower area. Okay? So, next, ito na yung room. Maliit lang to. So, good for 3 persons. Meron ditong cabinet din na pwede mo lagay yung mga bagahe, luggage. Medyo makalat lang. So, nandito yung may table. Merong TV. Merong couch. Magulo lang. And nandito yung 2 bedroom. Queen size bed. So, pwede ang dalawa at isa dito. So, 3 pwede. So, yun yung ating hotel room sa Boga Corte. So, yun. Nakapag-check-in na kami sa Boga Corte here in Tokyo, Japan. And we are going to Shibuya Crossing. Here now at Akihabara Station here in Tokyo, Japan. So nasa Tokyo na tayo. Hello Tokyo! Guys, we're here at Akihabara Station here in Tokyo, Japan. Akihabara, dito ka na. Akihabara. Electric. Akihabara. Welcome to Akihabara. So meron dito mga ano tawag dito? Naruto. For those Naruto fan, bili kayo.
This is 18,000.
Grandista. This is 18,000 yen. Ano to? 8,000 pesos. Mura lang, char. Ayan, bili na. Meron mga ano tawag dito?
Action figures.
Ayan, si Son Goku, Dragon Balls, iba-iba. Oh. Dami. Pwede kayong bumili dito sa Akihabara. May Batman pa. Sa mga anime collector.
Anime collectors.
Sa mga anime collectors. Yan. Merong Super Mario. Hindi ko kalala.
One Piece.
One Piece. Punta lang kayo dito sa Akihabara Station. Dami, oh. Iba-iba. Oh, dami.
Price ranges from
May bayo mga...
kitchen. Nakalap mo to.
Sa mga One Piece fan, meron ditong 5,000 yen or mga 2,500 or 2,000 pesos. So, dito niya makikita sa Akihabara, Tokyo, Japan. Ang mahal pala ng mga ganyan.
Details sa siya.
I have 500 yen, 100 each. So, kailangan natin ipasok dito. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we'll... Hey! Open! Yay!
Open.
Open! Here! Okay. 500 na to. At least experience. Bili na ako dyan. Thank you. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Yodobashi, Akiba. We're here now at Ueno Shopping District. Wow! Isipan natin tong Alford chocolate. Kung masarap. Ano ba ito? Alford. Ay, ito. Alford. Sarap.
Ang hirap.
Hindi, masarap.
Hindi ako very well.
Sarap. Pero dyan, tingnan mo ha. Ang lasa. Baka mag-trending tayo dito ka. So, Alford mini chocolate. Ang dami namin binili, oh. Pampasalubong. Ako na. Tikman mo. Ichiran. Ang haba ng pila dito sa Ichiran. So, we're here at Ichiran. Titikman natin yung famous Ichiran here in Ueno, Tokyo, Japan. So, ang haba ng pila. Ang haba yung pila. So, let's try the Ichiran here in Ueno.
Mas ka lang, pasulok.
Tapos wala na. Okay na yan.
Naku, hindi ko alam.
Eh, ano ito binilugan niyo?
Ibibigay niyan to.
Ito. Okay, okay.
Once na ano na.
Cash. Please take your ticket.
Hi guys, I'm here at Ueno, here in Tokyo, Japan, and ito try natin yung sikat na or famous na Ichiran here in Ueno. So, mga window here. So let's try the Ichiran. Arigatou gozaimasu. So ito na order natin. Wow, ramen. This is our order. Itadakimasu, Ichiran.